Hey guys, so I'm Daniel Kim. So we are going to measure the value of resistor using a multimeter. So first of all, we're gonna connect the red wire to the ohm and the black wire at the com. So twist the knot for 200 because the lowest value, and then we're gonna connect the red one and the black one at the resistor. Okay, 98.3. So if we move the knot at 2000, we're gonna get 100 ohm, 99 ohm. So the correct one is 200 because we're gonna get the correct value. So this is it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Syarahliana. I'm going to introduce to you about the digital multimeter, and this is the COM probe jack. We insert the black wire. This is the voltage probe jack, and we put the red wire. And this is the rotary knob, and this is the off button. This is the AC and DC voltage. This is the ohm meter setting. This is the temperature, and this is the main display that display the value. So now I'm going to put the red one in this extension wire and the black one in here. I'm going to turn on the switch to voltage AC and DC. So before we turn on the switch, we got 0 value, and after I turn on the switch, we got 233.7 for AC voltage when we turn on the switch. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, in this video I want to show you how to measure the voltage in this battery by using the multimeter. Okay, first of all, you must have the multimeter. Okay, the multimeter have two probe. It's a red probe and black probe. Okay, so you put red probe at the milliampere and the black probe at the com. Okay, so you red probe at the positive and the black probe at the negative. Okay, if you can see that the value is 1.526. Okay, and we look at the battery, 1.5. Okay.
Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to measure AC current. First of all, this is my circuit. I connected LED in series circuit and I use clamp meter to measure AC current. Firstly, we switch on the light. Then we clamp the live cable. So the reading for AC current for this circuit is 0.113 ampere. Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to measure DC voltage. Today I'm going to use analog multimeter. First of all, we test the multimeter. it's in good condition. Then we set the range into 250. Then we place the probe into the switch. Then we switch on the switch. It shows 230 volt.